Hi everyone, this is Saurabh, and in this video, I'll be telling you how you can convert any YouTube video into an Instagram post. Using full automation, you can generate posts like this. It is not going to only create this image for you, but it is also going to write the caption and the tags for you. So if this is something you're interested in, please make sure you watch this video towards the end, as I don't want you to miss out on any of the important steps which I'm going to show you. So before we build this automation together, let me give you a quick overview of how this automation is going to run, as well as what all tools you will be using to build this automation. This is how the automation is going to look like. And we are going to use tools like the no code automation tool, which is make.com, and we'll be creating this scenario, and we'll be using Anthrop Claude to generate the prompt for the caption and the image. So how this automation is going to run? So the first step is it is going to watch the video, any video on a YouTube channel, whether it's going to be your video or it's going to be someone else's video. And then what it is going to do, it is going to transcribe that video. It is going to pick up that transcription from that video. And using this particular prompt, using Claude, it is going to create a summary, a caption for you. And then it is going to pick up that same transcription and generate a prompt for you to create the image. So this is the prompt. I'll be showing you each and every prompt in detail. And the next step is it is going to make a request. We are also going to use replicate.com to create the image. And the next few steps are the one to generate the image. And then finally, we are going to connect the Instagram, and it is going to directly post that caption as well as the image. So without a further ado, let's jump straight into and build this automation together. So the very first step is going to be, we'll be adding a module for YouTube. So here inside make.com, we are creating a scenario where we are going to use the module for YouTube, where we are going to choose watch videos in a channel. So here, you can just click on add, and you can connect your own YouTube channel. So not only you can put your own YouTube channel link. If you want to put your own YouTube channel link, all you need to do in the channel ID, you just need to enter me. And if you want to use a different video, someone else's video, then what you have to do, you need to go into that particular channel. So for example, I'm going to pick up one video from this Think Media channel. So what we need, first of all, is the ID. This is the video ID, which you see on the top. Just going to copy that. And we need to click on ID Finder. And here we need to add the channel handle, which is going to be the name of the channel, which is, you see in the search bar, to see the name of the channel after @, which is @Think Media TV. So we'll just copy this and we add it over here. And then we just click on OK. And over here, you can specify the limit as to how many videos you want to pick up. So for this video purpose, we'll just keep it one video. And we click on OK. And from here, you can just click on choose manually, and it will give you the video which you want to pick. So let's say I want to pick up this one. This is the best YouTube setup for beginners. Best YouTube setup for beginners. So we choose that one. And the next is we need to transcribe this video. So we'll be using the HTTP module, and we'll choose make a request. And over here, you just need to copy this URL to transcribe. The method which we're going to choose is post, and the body type, we need it in raw, and the content type will be JSON. So these are the specifications which we are going to choose, and you can just follow the instructions which I'm telling you. And then in the requested content, we are going to copy this JSON format. So which is the video URL and the video ID. It's going to pick up from the previous module. So which is going to be the same video it's going to take. And then we select parse response as yes. Then we click OK. Now let's just test this. So let's choose which video to start. We select best YouTube setup for beginners. And now let's run it. See, now it has given the transcription, which we can check out here. And we just click on data, transcript. See, we got the complete transcript for that particular video. It was as simple as that. Next, we need to pick up that transcript and create a caption. So for that, we'll be using Claude, this Anthropic Claude, create a prompt. So again, you need to click on add and create a connection. And for that, you can just sign up for Anthropic Claude and just put in around $10. And it is very cheap, and it's these $10 are going to last very long. And next, we have to select the model. So I usually pick up the 3-5 Sonnet model. The max tokens, we put it 4,000. And the first, we need to add messages. So first, we need to choose the role as user. We need to add the content, and the content is going to be text. And then we have to enter the text. So this is the prompt which I'm going to use. And I'll give the link to this prompt in the description down below. So this prompt says, act as an informed Instagram expert. You'll be provided with a transcript of a video. You must only provide the output required. Do not include any additional information or how or the responses could provide only the output according to the below guidelines. And this is the complete prompt, which I'll be just copy and pasting. And now we need to put the transcript here. Transcript and the video ID going to be, or we can also choose the other one from here. And then we click on OK. The next prompt which we need to use is to create the image. So again, we'll just copy this. And here we can rename this to, and next is okay. Over here, again, we are going to choose the same model, the same tokens, everything remains the same. And for the image, we are going to use a different prompt. So again, this is the prompt. You're a prompt writer. You'll be given an article or a piece of text. Based on this text, you will produce a descriptive prompt for image generation. This one, by this text response, you have to give input, which is going to be this one. And we click OK. So now what we have done, we have picked up the video from the channel. We have done the transcript. We have created the prompt to create the caption, and then we created the prompt to create the image. So let's run this. It's always good that you keep on testing this automation, as and when you add the next step, rather than doing it all together at the once towards the end. It's always advisable to do it like this. All right. Yeah, it went through. let's see. This is the prompt created. So this is the prompt that it has created. See here, professional home video studio setup, camera mounted on tripod, things. All right. Next step is we need to add another HTTP module. And here we'll add this URL for the replicate. Method is going to be post. And we are going to add a couple of headers. So first one is authorization. See, you will get all these instructions in replicate as to which header you're going to use, but you can just follow this instruction here. And now you need to enter your key, which you're going to get once you sign up on replicate. I'll also link a video from my mentor, Jack, who has done this video about replicate and creating image using Flux model. So you can check out that video and you will get more information about it. The value is going to be bearer and the API key. And then we add the query string. We'll add, and then we choose the body type as raw, JSON. And the requested content will be text response, parse response, we choose as yes. We need to add a sleep timer. We'll select tools, and basically it will take some time to get the image created. So we have to give it a few minutes. So I've chosen 1 minute of sleep, and then we add another HTTP module, make a request, URL. Yeah. The URL, we choose the method as get, and then we add the header, authorization. Again, you just follow these steps which I'm showing you. For this value, you have to put the API key. So again, you have to use your own API key, draw, and then we choose content type as application JSON, and then we click on parse response. We click OK. And next, we add the Instagram module, Instagram for business. Create a photo post. We are creating a photo post here. Again, you need to click on add, and then you need to connect your Instagram account. And then you need to select your appropriate page. Next, you need the photo URL, which is going to be, caption is going to be this text response. Do one thing. Let us run this till here so that we get all the variables in. All right, the automation is run. Let me just connect the Instagram for business again. And here we need to select the URL for image, which we are going to get it, this one. This is the URL for the image. And at the end, we are just going to add an error module. Going to be like this. And you're going to do break. So we'll just put the number of attempts 1 and the interval between, let's say 2 minutes. All right, now the automation is done. Let me just run it for one final time and see the output. I'll show you. It will post directly in my Instagram account. All right, got the transcript from here. Yeah. We got the caption is created here, the caption, and it is also given the tags for Instagram. This is the image prompt over here. This is the image prompt. All right. So the automation is complete. And now let's check the final output. This is my Instagram. Let me just refresh the page. And we are going to see this new. All right. See, this is the image which it has created. This is an AI image. And this is the text, the caption, and the tags. Look how realistic this image is. And that is why we use replicate to create the images and the flux model. Again, the link to that video will be in the description as well as in the I button upstairs, and you can check it out. So uh, this way you can just create multiple posts. You can create posts for a week, months ahead, using any videos from anybody's channel. You are just repurposing those and creating images for your Instagram. So, guys, I hope you got some value out of this video. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments down below. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you again in the next.